Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone to our channel The Entertainer, DIY and Fun. And this video is actually good news for the bachelors in Saudi Arabia or for those who wanted to eat outside, because Saudi Arabia is lately deciding to or reopen all of its dining centers and restaurants. You can see an article right here about the reopen, and also they also said, by you can see the article right here, that by March 31st of this year, Saudi Arabia will be opening its borders for all types of transportation like roadways, ships and planes. So, and that's because Saudi Arabia seemed to have kind of defeated the wave 2 which they were experiencing, and that is because you can see the wave here. See, you can see that Saudi Arabia's was almost on an increase and just flattened the curve. Wait, this is a little small. They flattened the curve, you can see there. So they're planning to open everything now they have everything under control. Yes, by the time I was leaving, there were strict measures starting to come into Saudi Arabia again because of the wave 2 beginning to happen, like in the UK. And in India, I'm living in Telangana, Hyderabad. You can see the daily cases in India is also on a decline. Wait. And which is a good thing. According to population wise, India's almost having like very little cases. So, which is good that India is fighting the coronavirus, especially trying to prevent the wave 2. You can see in India's cases there's a slight rising. Wait, let me see, there's a slight rising, and I hope that rise also flattens or just goes down, because that's not a good sign. Okay, now let's just. So, and if you want to know how to make a mask at home, you can just click here at the top, and it is a good way to make it on a budget. I have used that mask for almost like 7 to 6 months by washing it once a week, and it worked pretty good. So that's all this video was for, and yeah, I think this is the first time showing my face. This is how I look. You can see. Okay, whatever. So, and this is the first video actually I'm shooting inside my house in India. So that's all the video was for. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if you have any suggestions for the next video. See you in the next video. Bye.